Okay, so this time, no, very technical, no, AI and machine learning in cybersecurity. These are the rapidly transforming how organizations detect, prevent, and respond to digital threats, no, through automating threat detection and response processes. These technologies actually provide faster and more accurate identification of cyber risk compared to the traditional system. Artificial intelligence mimics human reasoning in analyzing complex data, while machine learning, a subset of AI-enabled system, to learn from data patterns and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. In cybersecurity, syempre, AI and machine learning are used by anomaly detection, malware identification, phishing detection, and behavioral analytics. For instance, machine learning algorithms can learn what constitute yung normal, no? Network behavior and quickly flag deviation that may signal an intrusion or cyber attacks. And this real-time monitoring system significantly enhances a security team's ability to stop threats before they escalate, especially in complex IT environments with massive volumes of data. And to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our presenter. Go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. This is the continuation of Chapter 18, the AI and Machine Learning in Cybersecurity. So, artificial intelligence refers to systems or machines that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks such as learning and problem solving. Then, machine learning is a subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data, improving their performance over time without explicit programming. So, artificial intelligence or AI refers to the systems that performs task learning, reasoning, and problem solving, while machine learning is a, s- is allow system to learn from data and improve themselves over time without being specifically programmed. Both are now playing critical roles in defending against increasingly complex cyber threats. Example, think about how Netflix recommends movies to you that machine learning at work. Now imagine applying that same learning power to detect cyber attacks. So machine learning and AI play a crucial role in modern cybersecurity, providing advanced tools for detecting, preventing, and responding to cybersecurity. This is the importance in cybersecurity. Increasing sophistication of cyber threats requires more dynamic and automated defense mechanism. AI and AI and machine learning can analyze massive data sets, detect anomalies, and automate threat response, enhancing security operation. So cyber attacks are getting smarter and more aggressive. So traditional static defenses are no longer enough. So AI and machine learnings offer dynamic automated solutions so they can process and analyze massive amounts of data, detect suspicious patterns, and react quickly to threats much faster than any human team could. So this means organization can respond in real time, minimizing the damage and disruption. So for example, in 2020, the Microsoft used AI to detect and block 30 billion email threats adapting to new phishing tactics faster than human teams. So the rapid evolution of cyber threats from simple viruses to sophisticated ransomware, phishing, and zero-day attack has made traditional defense insufficient. So AI intelligence and machine learning provide the critical advantage of speed, scale, and adaptability, analyzing huge volumes of data in real time. This makes cybersecurity defense not only proactive, but also predictive, detecting threats before they cause damage. So, threat detection, machine learning, and AI technologies can identify complex patterns indicative of cyber attack. So, these machine learning models are trained in vast amounts of cybersecurity data, so including historical attacks, allowing them to recognize complex, hidden patterns that a human analyst might miss. So AI can flag anomalies to yung mga unusual behaviors like unauthorized access or suspicious files, movements across network, even when that attack method is brand new. For example, is yung company ng Darktrace this is a cybersecurity company use AI to detect subtle deviation in network traffic that indicates a possible insider threat or ransomware attack, often before the system shows obvious signs of compromise. Next is the rapid response, quickly assess and counteract potential security breaches and vulnerability. So in cybersecurity, every second counts. So AI-driven systems enable real-time or near real-time response to threats. So once a potential attack is detected, the system can automatically isolate the affected device or user, trigger alerts, and even deploy countermeasure much faster than waiting for human intervention. So for example nito, yung JP Morgan Chase use AI system to monitor millions of daily transactions. So when activities are detected, the AI instantly flag them for review for freezes account to prevent fraud within the second. Next is continuous learning. So ability to adapt to new attack vectors and evolving threats in real time. So cyber threats are constantly changing. New malware variants are created daily. So AI and machine learning models can continuously retrain themselves based on new data, allowing them to adapt and recognize new attacks vectors without needing a full system overhaul. So for example, yung Microsoft Defenders uses continuous machine learning models as more data on phishing attempts and malware samples come in. The AI learns new techniques attackers are using, enhancing protection levels without manual update. So in today's cybersecurity, battlefield standing still means failing behind. So traditional defenses are no longer enough against increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. So this is where AI and machine learnings come in, not just as a tool, but as an essential weapon. Next is the machine learning algorithms used in cybersecurity. So to strengthen cybersecurity, we don't just rely on one type of machine learning. We use different strategies depending on the situation. Number one is the supervised learning, training models with labeled data to make prediction or decision. So supervised learning means training a machine learning model using labeled data, meaning the system already knows the correct answer for each data point. So this allows the models to predict future outcomes or classify new threats based on what it has learned. So supervised learning is widely used for email spam detection, malware classification, and fraud detection because the system can recognize whether an email or file is safe or dangerous based on past labeled examples. So for example, the Google Gmail uses supervised learning model to identify and filter out spam emails with over 99.9% accuracy based on millions of previously labeled spam and non-spam emails. Next is the unsupervised learning, finding hidden patterns in data without explicit guidance. So unsupervised learning doesn't require labeled data. Instead, it explores the structure of the data on its own looking for patterns, cluster, or anomalies. This is useful when new unknown types of threats emerge and there's no previous label to rely on. So unsupervised learning is used for anomaly detection, so spotting the suspicious behavior that might be the sign of insider threat, a new malware type, or a hidden network breach. So for example, the IBM QR radar uses unsupervised machine learning to detect anomalies in network behavior, helping security teams to find breaches that signature-based detection would miss. Next is the deep learning, utilizing neural networks to analyze large and diverse dataset. So deep learning is a specialized form of machine learning that uses neural network systems inspired by the way the human brain works to handle massive and complex datasets. So deep learning models can identify highly complex attacks pattern across email files and network traffic that other traditional models might miss. So deep learning is very powerful for detecting advanced persistent threats or the APTs, the deep fakes and sophisticated malware. So for example, it's the Cyclant. This is a cybersecurity company that uses deep learning models to predict and block malware on devices even before the malware is executed, offering pre-execution protection. Application of machine learning and AI in cybersecurity. As cyber threats evolve, so does the technology we use to combat them. So let's dive into the specific application of machine learning and AI in the world of cybersecurity. Number one is the threat detection and prevention. So AI and machine learning algorithms are designed to analyze large amount of data from multiple sources, including network traffic, user behavior, and historical attacks to detect potential security threats. Once detected, the system can prevent further damage by blocking or isolating the attack, often without human intervention. So with real-time threat detection, AI can recognize like the DDoS attack, unauthorized access attempts, or abnormal activities that could indicate a breach, allowing faster and more proactive responses. Number two is the malware detection and analysis. So AI and machine learning help detect, analyze malware by examining files and programs for suspicious characteristics. Unlike traditional methods that rely on known signatures, machine learning-based system can analyze behavior to identify new and evolving malware types. So this allows for quick identification and response even to zero-day attack. So by using AI to predict malware behavior, security system can identify and stop malicious program before they execute or spread within network. For example, is the CrowdStrike uses machine learning to monitor real-time behavior and identify new malware strains even before they have a known signature, preventing them from spreading across network. Number three is the phishing detection. So phishing attacks use fraudulent communication like yung emails to deceive users into providing sensitive information. So AI-powered system use machine learning to analyze patterns in emails, website, and communication to identify suspicious or malicious activity. So this system can flag phishing attempts before they reach the user. So AI identify phishing emails based on patterns like email structure, links, or unusual request behavior that are hard to spot manually, significantly reducing the risk of human error. Next is the behavior biometrics and authentication. For this, behavior biometric uses AI and machine learning to analyze the behavioral patterns of users, such as typing speed, mouse movements, and device interaction as an added layer of authentication. So this provides continuous authentication, verifying the identity of users in real time even after the initial login. So with AI driven behavior biometrics, it becomes harder for attackers to impersonate users since they cannot replicate the unique patterns of human behavior. So for example, the BioCatch uses behavior biometrics to monitor and analyze user behavior during online transaction, ensuring that a person action align with their usual behavior and preventing identity fraud. Number five is the automated incident response. So machine learning and AI have automate the incident response process. So enabling security system to identify and neutralize threats with minimal human intervention. So automated system can respond to threats faster by isolating affected system, blocking malicious IPs, and containing breaches in real time. So by automating responses, AI reduces response times and allows security teams to focus on more complex tasks while ensuring the common attacks are dealt with quickly. Number six is the threat intelligence. So threat intelligence refers to the use of AI and machine learning to collect and analyzing data about current and emerging threats. So AI-driven systems aggregate data from various sources and provided actionable insights, helping organizations stay ahead of threats by understanding potential vectors, attacking tactics, and methods. So with AI-enhanced threat intelligence, organization can proactively defend against cyber attacks adjusting their security measure to address new tactics and vulnerabilities before they're exploited. Next is the challenges and limitation of using machine learning and AI in cybersecurity. So while AI and machine learning are transforming the cybersecurity landscape, they come with their own set of challenges. So let's dive into these limitations and explore how they affect cybersecurity practices. First is the data quality and availability. So in cybersecurity, obtaining accurate, comprehensive data set is a major challenge due to privacy concerns, the sensitivity of attack data, and the rapid evolution of threats. So data quality and availability, getting high quality comprehensive data is a challenge because of privacy concerns and the rapid evolution of cyber threats. So if the data we use in inaccurate or outdated the AI models might miss crucial threats. For example, yung IBM struggled with limited access to critical data points while developing their AI tools due to privacy law. Next is the adversarial attack. So AI and machine learning models can be vulnerable to adversarial attacks where malicious actors deliberately manipulate inputs to deceive the models. So, adversarial attacks, this is the malicious actor can deliberately manipulate the input data to trick AI models into making mistakes. So, this is real risk when AI is used to defend against cyber threats. So, in year 2018, researchers were able to evade malware detection system by altering the malware code, a clear example of how adversarial attacks can target. And third is the evasion and adaptation by attackers. So cyber attackers constantly evolve their techniques to bypass AI-driven security system. So evasion and adaptation by attackers, this is the cyber attackers are constantly learning and evolving, adapting their tactics to bypass AI-driven security system. So this means our defenses must continuously adapt as well. So for instance, the ransomware attacks evolve over time and attackers are finding ways to evade AI defenses. Fourth is the explainability and transparency issue. So many AI and machine learning models, especially deep learning models, act as a black boxes. So making decisions that are difficult to interpret. So AI models, especially keep learning, often as a black boxes. So the lack of transparency make it difficult for cybersecurity professionals to understand why a particular decision was made, which is crucial when making security decision. Fifth is the high false positive rates. So machine learning based cybersecurity tools often generate high numbers of false positives, flagging benign activities are threats. So, while machine learning is powerful, it also generates many false positive alerts for benign activities that are not really threats. So, this can be overwhelmed by cybersecurity teams and lead to alert fatigue, reducing efficiency. So, early developments of FireEye's AI-based systems experienced high false positive rates, which made it hard to focus on real threats. And lastly, this is the resource intensity and scalability. So training and deploying machine learning models can be resource intensive, requiring significant computational power and expertise. So machine learning models require massive computing power and expert resources to train and scale. So this makes them costly and difficult for many businesses to deploy effectively. Next is the best practices for implementing machine learning and AI in cybersecurity. So implementing machine learning and AI cybersecurity is an exciting opportunity, but it requires careful planning and execution. So here are some best practices that can ensure its success. Number one is the expert collaboration. So engage in specialists in machine learning and cybersecurity to ensure smooth integration. So to ensure that AI and machine learning models are successfully integrated into cybersecurity practices, expert collaboration is crucial. So engaging specialists in both machine learning and cybersecurity ensure that unique challenges of each field are addressed. So collaboration can help in selecting the right algorithms, developing models that can handle the specific nature of cyber threats, and ensuring that AI tools align with existing security framework. So a collaborative approach ensures that both domains both domains AI and cybersecurity work in tandem. So preventing issues that may arise from misunderstanding or misalignment. So expert collaboration leads to more accurate, effective, and secure AI application. Next is the continuous evaluation. So regularly assess and update machine learning models to adapt to evolving threats. So cyber threats are constantly evolving, so it's essentially to regularly evaluate and update machine learning models to ensure they are adapted to new and emerging attacks method. So this can involve the training models on new data, fine-tuning algorithms, or adding new features that reflect the current cybersecurity landscape. So regular evaluation ensures that AI-driven security system remain effective and reliable. Next is the educating staff. So empower employees with knowledge of AI system and their role in security. So a critical element of successfully implementing AI in cybersecurity and ensuring that all staff members understand how AI system work, their role in supporting the system. So educating employees on how to interact with AI-driven security tools and how to spot signs of potential attacks can enhance the effectiveness of the AI system. So this empowers staff to work alongside AI systems rather than rely entirely on them. So when employees are educated on how AI systems work, they can better support the technology and mitigate human errors that could compromise the system. So well-informed staff members are also better equipped to respond to AI-generated alerts and act quickly in the event of security breach. Next is future trends and advancement in machine learning and AI cybersecurity. So as we look to the future, two major advancements in AI and machine learning are set to transform cybersecurity. First is the 5G network and the predictive analytics. So first, let's talk about the 5G network. So the enhanced connectivity of 5G promises faster and more reliable communication. So this will support a growing number of connected devices and the Internet of Things application, making our digital world more interconnected than ever. However, with this advancement come new cybersecurity challenges. As the number of devices and data flows increases, AI and machine learning will be essential for detecting and mitigating threats in real time. For example, yung Qualcomm is working on AI-powered security solution that can analyze traffic from billions of devices connected to 5G, allowing threats to be identified faster and more accurately. And the second is the predictive analytics, the anticipatory protection, AI system predicting and preventing threats before they materialize. So, unlike traditional reactive security methods, predictive analytics uses AI and machine learning to forecast potential threats before they materialize. So, by analyzing data patterns, AI system can predict vulnerabilities and attack vendors, allowing cybersecurity team to implement proactive defenses. So, as we embrace the power of 5G and predictive analytics, AI and machine learning will enable cybersecurity system to become more proactive, efficient, and adaptive. So this advancement will give us the tools to stay one step ahead of cyber threats and protect our network more effectively than ever before. Future of cybersecurity in business. So here are some key trends that will define the future of cybersecurity. So looking ahead, the future of cybersecurity in business will be shaped by several key trends. So, first, the integration of AI automation. The ongoing integration of AI and automation will allow businesses to build more resilient cybersecurity infrastructure. So first, we see the integration of AI and into automation as a major force in enhancing cybersecurity resilience by automating threat detection and response. So businesses can quickly mitigate threats in real time, reducing risk and increasing efficiency. Next is the Zero Trust Architecture or the CTA. So this Zero Trust security is becoming the standard for organization. So these models operates on the principle of never trust, always verify. So the Zero Trust Architecture is becoming the gold standard in security. So operating on the principle of never trust, always verify, this model ensures that every access request is scrutinized and authenticated. So minimizing the risk of unauthorized access. So companies like yung Google's Beyond Corp are already implementing this model to secure remote workforces. Next is the cloud security and hybrid workforces. So with the rise of cloud computing and the shift to hybrid and remote work models, securing cloud environments has become a top priority. So securing cloud environments will be more important than ever with Microsoft Azure companies can protect their data, ensuring that both cloud infrastructure and remote access are secure. Next is the privacy protection and compliance. These privacy regulations are setting a higher standard for data protection. So, set new standards for how businesses handle customer data. Companies like yung Apple are the leading charge with end-to-end encryption, ensuring user privacy is always priority. We can ignore the emerging threats posed by quantum computing, while quantum computing have their potential break current encryption methods. Five is the quantum computing and post-quantum cryptography. This is the quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize cybersecurity by offering powerful and computational capabilities. And lastly, is the ransomware and advanced persistent threats will continue to be a significant concern for businesses with cyber criminals increasingly target critical infrastructure. So finally, we cannot overlook ransomware and APTs, which will continue to challenge businesses. So a company like yung Merck's experienced firsthand the devastating impact of ransomware attack. By adopting a multi-layered defense strategy, businesses can better protect themselves from these evolving threats. So as technology continues to evolve, businesses must adapt and implement cutting-edge cybersecurity practices to stay one step ahead of emerging threats and safeguard their future. Here are the key takeaways. As we wrap up today's presentation, let's reflect the key takeaways that will define the future of cybersecurity. So first, the AI and the machine learning are transforming cybersecurity defenses, making them smarter and faster. So these technologies are enabling business to detect and respond to cyber threats faster and more accurately, providing a proactive defense against rapidly advanced threats. Next is the automation enhanced speed and accuracy, but human oversight remains essential. So automation plays a key role in enhancing the speed and accuracy of security responses. So automation allows systems to react to attack immediately, reducing in time between detection and containment and freeing up resources for more critical tasks. Next is the cybersecurity is becoming a core business strategy, not treated as an afterthought. So, cybersecurity has now become a core business strategy. So, protecting sensitive data is not just about preventing breaches. It's about maintaining brand trust, ensuring regulatory compliance, and securing business continuity. So cybersecurity is an integral part of business success. Next is data privacy and compliance will drive innovation in cybersecurity too. As we move forward, we'll continue to drive innovation in cybersecurity. So privacy regulation will push organizations to develop more secure and innovative solutions, giving rise to new tools to protect sensitive data while ensuring compliance with global standards. And lastly, human and AI collaboration is essential. The future belongs to smart collaboration between humans and machines. So while AI is an invaluable tool in cybersecurity, human and AI collaboration is essential. So AI provides speed and scale, but human judgment is necessary for strategic decision making. So the future of cybersecurity will depend on effective collaboration between human expertise and AI-driven system. So by the leveraging power of AI, automation, and strategic collaboration, businesses can create a stronger, more resilient cybersecurity framework to navigate the challenges of the digital age. That's all my report. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much. No, again, artificial and intelligence and machine learning are like very smart computer programs that can learn, that can learn, no, from data and help protect us from cyber attacks. In cybersecurity, no, we use these tools to watch over our networks, no, emails and system to catch bad guys, no, like hackers before they can do damage. They think of AI as a smart guard dog that gets smarter every day and can tell the difference between a friendly visitor and a theft. No, imagine you're using your email and suddenly get a strange message saying you won money. So AI can scan that email and quickly figure out if it's a scam or not based on how similar emails behave in the past. Now, machine learning helps the system. Now, remember those scams and recognize new ones that look similar. No, even if they are slightly different. For example, Gmail use AI to filter out spam messages and phishing attacks, so you don't have to worry about them. No, AI is also great and spotting when something's not normal. For instance, if the hacker tries to log into your account from another country at 3 a.m., the AI system will notice that it's unusual and alert you or block the access. Just like how your bank send a warning if your card is used in a different location. Cybersecurity tools do the same of your computer system. No, so in big companies, AI have stop attacks before humans even notice. So let's say a virus is spreading through a network. AI can detect it, isolate the affected computers and stop it from spreading all in seconds actually, no, and it's like having a fire alarm that not only detects smoke but also spray waters and calls the fire department right away, no. So why matters, no? Syempre AI and machine learning make cybersecurity faster and smarter, but they also need good data to learn from, no. If they retain with the wrong data, they might miss real threats or black safe activity. Also, hackers are trying to pull AI too. That's why people still need to check and guide this system. Think of AI as a helpful, robust assistance. It's powerful, but it still needs supervision. Okay? So I think that's it for this topic. Thank you and good morning, everyone.